Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Walton. The purpose of this clip is to show you how to get to Flipgrid. I look up here in the web address to verify that I am on the Davis School District web page on the home site because they change the picture often. I actually happen to know this person. She is a principal, assistant principal at Fairfield Junior High. On the right, I'm finding the button Quick Links. When that opens, I go down to the choice that says Email, Office 365. When that screen opens, yours might look different than mine if you have personalized it. I'm going over here to my 3x3 buttons or dots, and I am choosing all applications. When I scroll down all applications, I can see that there indeed is a shortcut to Flipgrid. And because it is connected to my Office 365 account, I don't have to make a new account. I already have one. I could also choose to go over here to all apps. It just happens to be showing up because I have used it recently. So when I choose all apps and scroll down here, again, I can see Flipgrid because it is connected to my Office 365 account. We've used Clever a lot in class, so Mrs. Walton went into Clever and I went to our class page, which has the origami dragon. When you go to our class page with the origami dragon, you can see shortcuts I have put here. And down here is Flipgrid with our class code. Flipgrid, then when I pick it, will show this. It might ask me to verify my email. I'm going to enter the flip code for this assignment, which is Walton, all lowercase 1632. Then I'm going to choose the arrow for go to my grid. And it says it can't find it. So, well, let's see. I must have entered the wrong thing. I sure did. It's 1432. This is a good example of what happens when you don't double check your information. So when I do this, I happen to come to the right place. I make sure my name's up here. And then as I scroll down, here is our first Flipgrid. It has a welcome, and it tells you to say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. What you do is you come to this green circle with a white plus in the middle. You choose this, and then you record your response. Your response is, "Hi, everybody," and then tell something about yourself. You can see that I have already done this.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Walton. This is Flipgrid. Our first Flipgrid is going to be for you to say hello to everyone and then to tell us one thing about yourself.
Okay, I'm not going to continue that. You can go to Flipgrid and watch that video. So, how did I get there? I started at the Davis School District homepage. I went to Quick Links. I went down the menu of choices. I chose Email Office 365. When that screen appears, there are some options. I can choose all apps here and find Flipgrid, or I can come here and choose all apps, finding Flipgrid, or I can go to Clever and go to my class page, which has an origami dragon, and there I can also choose Flipgrid. More than one way to get to Flipgrid, and you have an account already because it is linked to your Office 365 account. This is Mrs. Walton signing off.